welcome to today's travel day one take mini vlog.
We're in Kidani Village.
We've travelled and we're here and we are so happy.
Yes.
We're home.
So local time now is 6:30.
Yes, it's very humid and it does feel like
Very muggy.
there is some rain coming. There's
It's a
some,
bit stormy, but
there's some clouds
not too bad.
that way which look a bit gruesome.
So we're just off to buy a resort mugs,
Yep, that's got to be done,
so I can have cups of tea in the morning.
obviously.
Have a look in the gift shop, and then we're gonna pop round to Animal Kingdom.
Yeah, we've got a fast pass for Navi.
So we're gonna check that out before it closes.
Hey.
Keep ourselves going.
Yep.
Try and find something to eat somewhere, probably. Even though we've got a room full of snacks.
Are we going to show these lovely people the fire pit?
Yeah, so we'll sign off, and we're gonna turn the camera around and show you some sights. There's some giraffes here and a funny looking bird in the fire pit. So
We will see you in tomorrow's one take mini vlog, which will be from Epcot, I think,
maybe, yeah.
or Hollywood Studios, maybe, we're not sure.
All right.
So, bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye.